Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making this bright red homemade tomato sauce without sugar. For that you need some bright red ripe tomatoes. Add the diced tomatoes into a pan with some onion, garlic, ginger, some red chilies, salt. Instead of sugar, I am adding some jaggery and some whole spices like cumin, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and some peppercorns. Add some vinegar and close the lid. You don't have to add any drop of water into this. Keep the flame on low to medium and the tomatoes will start releasing the water and it will get cooked in that water itself. When the tomatoes becomes mushy, turn off the flame and allow it to cool down. Once it cools down completely, transfer the entire mixture into a blender and blend it well. Now strain the mixture. After straining, you got this beautiful, smooth and creamy tomato pulp. Transfer that back into the same pan and cook it. You have to boil this for around 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes slightly thick. Stir it in between. If you feel you need more sweetness for your sauce, you can add more jaggery powder. After boiling it for 10-15 minutes, turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. Now you can see the sauce has become more thick. This is the perfect consistency we are looking for. You can transfer the sauce into a clean and sterilized bottle, preferably glass bottle. This tomato ketchup will stay fresh for 4 to 5 weeks, but still if you want to increase the shelf life, do refrigerate it. So do try out this recipe. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.